Hello students, welcome to your math class. Today is Monday, September the 28th, 2020. And remember that last week we were working with some divisions. So today we're going to continue with the same topic. Hope you and yours are fine at home. It's a pleasure for me to be here with you. So let's start. On book page 55 of your books, you can find information about the use of 1 and 2 as divisors. 1 and 2 as divisors. So we're going to read the information that the O's are providing for us. Here it says 5 O's. 1 O in each group means 5 groups of O. 10 O's. 2 O's in each group means 5 groups of 2 O's. So here we have represented the division. 2, 10, and inside we have number 5. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 1 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so if we are going to have 1 and 2 as divisor, we are going to use table of 1 and table of 2, right? Remember, you should know the tables in order to divide. If you don't know the tables, or if you don't know them from your heart and memory, please you have to have them with you in order to divide. So the exercise number 2 from page 52. Divide by 2 using means to help you. So here you have the means. 2 divided by 4, 2 times 4 is equal to number 2. Here we have it in the table. Remember, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So it is the same. One number that if I can multiply it by 2 is going to give me 10 as a result is the number 5. One number that if I multiply that number too many times, I'm going to get 14 as a result is the number 7. One number, if I multiply several times the number 2, I'm going to get number 24 is the number 12. One number that if I multiply several times the number 2, I'm going to get number 3. Here I'm going to get number 6, here 11, and here 8. So remember, if you forget about the table, use it in your memory, use it from the one that you have in your notebook. Now the next activity that you're going to do is that in your notebook, you're going to write today's date. Remember that today is September the 28th, Monday. So you're going to write the date, and after that, you're going to copy those exercises in your notebook. After you finish with those exercises, you're going to have your homework. Your math homework of this week is that you're going to complete exercise number 3. You have some multiplications there. Complete exercise number 3 and page 53 of your book. The exercise 3 is from page 52. And the other page is the whole page, the complete page is page 53. That was everything for today's math class. Hope you understood everything. Have a nice day.